National Chemical Laboratories, producers of world-class cleaning and hygiene solutions, presents NCL University Online Floor Maintenance Training. This video covers floor finish application procedures. To conduct proper floor finish application, you will need the following equipment. Optimally, you will apply floor finish immediately following floor stripping. However, in the event the floor was stripped during a previous day, you will need to conduct some routine maintenance procedures to ensure no dust or dirt has settled onto the floor that can interfere with your floor finish application. You will need a dust mop, a dust pan, and a handheld brush. For floor finish application procedures, you will need drop cloths, caution wet floor signs, a dedicated synthetic finish mop, a mop bucket with a wringer, and a trash can liner, or a flat mop applicator. NCL produces a full line of floor finishes. With these options, you are sure to find the right choice to suit your facility's needs. To learn more about each individual floor finish, please visit nclonline.com. The first step in proper floor finish application procedures is ensuring you are protecting yourself with the appropriate PPE, personal protective equipment. Do not proceed until you have completely fulfilled your PPE requirements. You must put on protective gloves. Inspect the gloves before putting them on. If you notice any holes or other damage, discard and put on a new pair. Protective eyewear must be worn. Inspect for damage before putting on. If damage is found, put on another pair. Hold by the arms when putting them on. Avoid contact with the glass or plastic lenses. In the event that the floor was stripped on a day prior to the day you are applying finish, you will need to conduct these preparation procedures. If you are applying finish immediately following stripping the floor, you can skip these steps. Dust mop the floor. Collect debris in a centralized location and sweep up in a dustpan. Take the dust mop outside to a designated area and comb out the mop head. Return all equipment that was used for these routine maintenance procedures to the designated storage area of your facility. Ensure the area is properly ventilated. Turn on the air conditioner or a dehumidifier. Do not open doors or windows if there is humidity in the air outside. Humidity in the atmosphere will have a negative impact on the finish drying and curing. Place a drop cloth on surfaces adjacent to the floor on which you will be applying floor finish. Place caution wet floor signs at all entrance points. If you are using a mop and bucket, line the bucket with a trash can liner. Inserting a trash can liner prevents cross-contamination in the finish from any residues in the bucket. Cross-contamination may have a negative impact on the finish's ability to cure properly on the surface. Pour your NCL floor finish into the lined bucket. If you are using a flat mop applicator, pour the finish into the applicator tank. Insert the finish mop into the bucket and wring out. Whether you are using a finish mop or a flat mop applicator, apply the finish to the floor in thin, even coats. Applying the finish too thick or uneven may create problems with drying and adhesion. Apply the finish in an overlapping pattern to ensure total coverage of the entire floor. If you are applying finish as part of a scrub and recoat process, you only need 1 or 2 coats. If you are applying finish following a floor stripping, more coats will be needed. Up to 4 coats can be applied in a 24-hour period. When applying finish, stay 12 inches away from the baseboards on your first 3 coats. Proceed to apply finish in the area within 12 inches from the baseboard on your 4th coat. This will help prevent buildup around the edges. Switch direction of application in between coats. This will help you avoid missing any areas in your coverage. Please refer to the label instructions on your particular floor finish for suggested drying times between coats. Humid conditions may require allowing a drying period greater than suggested on the product label. Once you are assured that the coating is dried, repeat the application process up to 3 more times. To ensure proper curing, do not apply more than 4 coats in a 24-hour period. After the 4th coat, let the surface dry overnight. This will allow the finish to cure hard, level, and with a high gloss. Clean all equipment used in your floor finish application procedures and properly store away in the designated storage area of your facility. Remove, clean, and store non-disposable PPE, such as protective footwear and eyewear. Remove and discard disposable PPE, such as nitrile gloves. Upon return the following day, remove protective drop cloths and caution wet floor signs. Return furniture and other items to the room.